everyone, McKenna here from Clerk AI. Let's talk about warm transfers, the backbone of every performance marketing agency working in insurance. This isn't new. Carriers like Progressive, Geico, Allstate have always paid for one thing: a qualified lead, live on the phone, transferred to a licensed agent. So the model's clear. Pre-qualify the lead with a few questions, dial the carrier, navigate their IVR, wait for a licensed agent, confirm they'll take the call, and hand it off warm. Simple in theory, but brutal to execute at scale. Now here's the real conversation. Can an AI agent actually do this? Because doing it with AI is hard, way harder than people think. Your AI agent has to get past iOS and Android call screening just to reach the lead in the first place, answering who's calling and why in a way that sounds human enough to get put through. Then it has to hold a natural conversation, ask the qualifying questions, and turn around and dial the insurance company. It has to listen to a dynamic IVR, press the right digits, sit through a hold music for a few minutes, and recognize when a human finally picks up. Pitch the transfer in a few seconds, and then confirm the agent accepts before bridging the customer in. Most voice AI breaks somewhere in that chain. Screened out before hello. Wrong menu option, talks over the hold prompt, and misses the agent picking up. Bridges a deadline. Clerk AI doesn't. And rather than me telling you, let's just listen.
Hi, this is Kathy, your digital assistant with on a recorded line. May I ask who I'm speaking with today?
James.
Thanks, James. Are you looking to get a new auto insurance quote today?
Yes.
Great. Could you please confirm your date of birth for me? Got it. Just to confirm, your birthday is...
Yes.
Thanks for confirming. Can you please tell me your current zip code? Thanks. Is it okay to send quotes to the phone number you called from?
Yes.
Which insurance company do you currently have, and how many years have you been insured with them?
USAA and 3.
Great, almost done. How many vehicles do you have that need insurance?
1.
Do you have any accidents, claims, or tickets in the past few years? If yes, how many of each?
2 accidents.
Got it, 2 accidents. How about any claims or tickets?
No.
Thanks for that. Are you or your spouse a veteran who served in the U.S. military?
My grandpa.
Thanks for sharing. Just to confirm, are you or your spouse a veteran, or is it only your grandpa?
Only my grandpa.
Thanks for clarifying. Last question, do you own your home?
No.
Checking for available insurance providers now. Just a moment while I find the best match for you. Thanks. We will now transfer you to your insurance agent. This should take about 30 seconds. We are speaking with your agent on the other line. Thanks for your patience.
To give you the best possible rate, we may reference your driving history, driving behavior data, and credit score. We also share information with affiliates and select business partners so we can offer you products and services that best fit your needs. Please see our privacy policy for more details. All calls are recorded. Please enter your 5-digit zip code.
Director to White. How can I help you?
Hi, this is Catherine calling. I have James on the line inquiring about auto insurance. Can I connect them now?
Yes, thank you.
James, here is your agent. I'll leave you two to it. Have a nice day.
That's a real call. Past screening, through the IVR, a real carrier, a real agent accepts, a real warm transfer. No human in the middle. That's the product. Let's get you running.